Let me show you how to recreate the most incredible Sichuan style noodles. Start by toasting Sichuan peppercorns in a dry pan over low heat and defragrant. That citrusy, numbing aroma is absolutely essential. Grind them finely, keeping them in a bag prevents losing any of that precious powder. Freshly ground makes all the difference. Now build a base sauce. Add the aromatic pepper powder to your bowl. Allow it finely minced ginger and garlic. The finer the chop, the more flavor they release. Fresh cilantro and scallions provide that crucial bright, fresh contrast. This recipe captures that perfect balance of numbing, spicy, and savory flavors. The seasoning balance is key. Use 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder for depth, half spoon of nice wine for saltiness, 1 teaspoon of MSG for that extra flavor dimension, 1 teaspoon of white pepper for heat, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan pepper powder for numbness, a splash of sesame oil for aroma, and fenugreek half spoon of vinegar for brightness. But the real secret is a full spoon of rendered pork fat. That is what creates the incredible richness that makes this so addictive. Top it all off with homemade chili oil. The layered heat and crunch takes everything to the next level. Mix thoroughly until all those incredible flavors come together into one cohesive sauce. Cook alkaline noodles or hand-pulled varieties. The chewiness stems up to the rubber sauce. Lather in some of the stretchy cooking water to help create the perfect cleansing sauce consistency. Drench some creams for freshness and texture. The final sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or more ground peppercorns adds the last layer of aroma and crunch. The first slab delivers everything: the numbness, the heat, the richness, and that incredible complexity that makes Sichuan cuisine so legendary. This is not just food, it is an experience.